in the last, just give credits like, okay, you have taken these are the sources from which this information was taken. Okay, in the last, very last, you can take give the credits, and then what you do, guys, in our Word documents there is an option for us to export a PDF guide. Okay, export things as PDF. Like even this particular thing, if I want, let's say if I say Command P, okay, and I would be probably able to save this as a PDF. Check this out. I've just used Command P, and I can save this entire thing as a PDF right now. How simple this was, just literally with Command P, and I'm giving the entire document with the mentions of where this document was taken. Okay, so now you can read this, of course, the way I told you. Okay. Would you be able to PDF? If you will be able to use PDF. Invite people to come and take your free lead magnet. Okay, so you'll be making a page. So this is called a lead magnet, by the way, because we're generating leads. So this freebie is also called as lead magnet in terms of internet. Okay, so this is an example right now. It says learn social media marketing for free by Gaurav Madan and Roshni Dal. So this is the free thing which we built. This is a freebie. Okay, step number 1. People come here, people click on this. Now people enter their name and all right, and then probably they get instant access, and then they'll get the access of this product. Okay, they will get the access of this product. Now this is how we actually go ahead and give a freebie, and we collect something in exchange of that. So what we're doing is we're trying to build an audience. Okay, step number 1, build an audience. Now what is the step number 2? Once you build the audience like this by giving things for free, step number 2 is build the trust. Okay, so guys, now what we need to do is step number 2 is build the trust. Now how do you exactly build trust? Okay, that is the question. Now building trust is very important, because if you don't trust the other guy, you're never going to buy from them. Like for example, many times you must have seen for the new companies, a lot of times we are hesitant, or we will do our research earlier to get. For example, now Amazon will give any product, will buy the new product, because we trust Amazon as a service. Amazon will get money if the service is not good. But if there is a new e-commerce company, you will keep researching about that company. Is this company scam, or is it company something which is not scam, actual original? So to build trust, what we have to do, what are the trust parameters? Actually build trust, what we did, we actually invited people to our Facebook free group. Okay, now this was our Facebook free group, which is digital marketing VIPs. Now even right now, hundreds of people are actually wanting to join right now. Okay, and in this particular group, we are actually going live. We are showcasing ourselves every single day, and we're trying to answer people. We're trying to answer people that by providing certain valuable information. For example, this was a photography group. Then what we would have done is we would have shared tips about photography consistently. We would go live. We will show them what can be done with the help of different cameras, different exposures, different things. Okay, so basically, we being actually available to help people to go to the next step, showing our face. This goddamn pretty little face is the most important part in actually building the trust. Okay, so the very simple thing is build a group and show up. Okay, the important part is show up. Show up. Now type show up if you understand. This is how you build trust online.